Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Today's topic is very important. If you are working on construction site, if you are civil engineering student, so watch this video till the end to learn what are the field tests for good quality of cement. How you will know this is good quality of cement or not. So this is the topic for today. Field test for good quality of cement. So let's start. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video and you may subscribe this channel and press bell icon to get notification for new civil engineering updates. Guys, here you can see the headings: date of packing, this is in field test. Second one is lumps test. The third one is color test. The fourth one is flood test. The fifth one is adulteration test. The last one is temperature test. So now I will discuss it in detail. So here guys, the first one is date of packing. To check good quality of cement and field test, we have date of packing. So the date is on the cement bag. Okay, date of packing is on the cement bag. So that should be within 3 months at the time of purchased. If that is more than 3 months, so that is not a good quality of cement. So in field test, first you will check date of packing. Is it within 3 months at the time of purchased or not? Okay, so this is very important. The second one is lumps test. In lumps test, it should be free from any lumps which might be formed due to atmospheric moisture. Okay, so the lumps test is very important. It should be free from any lumps which might be formed due to atmospheric moisture. That is also not good. Okay, so to check and field test, we have also lumps test. It should be free from any lumps which might be atmospheric moisture. The third one is guys, color test. Color test is also very important. So the cement should be uniform gray color. Okay, the cement should be uniform gray color with light green shade. So that should be good quality of cement. If the color is not uniform gray and it can't make or bring light green shade, so that is not good quality of cement. Okay, so don't buy that cement because we have in field test. Okay, this is also one of the field tests. So therefore color test is also very important to check the good quality of cement. The fourth one is flood test. How to check flood test? When little quantity of cement is poured into a bucket of water, okay, little quantity of cement. When you put into a bucket of water, some part of it should be float in water for few seconds, not for long time. Means, for example, if you take little quantity of cement and put the cement, you can also put in the bucket. Okay, also you can put in the glass or cup. Okay, so some cement part should be float in the water for few seconds and forming pockets before sinking. Okay, this is very useful, this point. Okay, so it should be float in water for few seconds, forming pockets before sinking. Okay, the other one is adulteration test. So how to do adulteration test? When the cement is rubbed between two fingers, okay, when you take little amount or little quantity of cement, so when the cement rubbed between two fingers, you should get smooth feeling of fine powders. Okay, you will feel smooth feelings, okay, of fine powders. Remember one thing: if you feel the rough grainy texture, not fine powder, so then there is the possibility of adulteration. Okay, this is also important. The last one is, guys, temperature test. How you will check or how you will do the test of temperature. When kept over the palm, okay, when you put little quantity of cement in the palm, okay, so you should feel the normal atmospheric heat. Normal atmospheric heat. It should not be very much warmer. Okay, so it should be a normal atmospheric heat. Okay, so if the heat is more, so that is also not good quality of cement. So guys, these are useful informations for field test to check the good quality of cement. Date of packing, remember, lumps test, color test, flood test. Date of packing is available on the cement bag. The second one is lump test. It should be free from any lumps. The third one is color. So it should be uniform gray color and it will bring light green shade. The flood test is also very important. Put some amount of or some quantity of cement in a bucket of water. Okay. Then some amount of or some part of cement should be flood inside the water for few seconds, okay, and forming the pockets before sinking, okay. So this is also important. Adulteration, as I told you, rubbed between the two fingers, you will free smooth feeling like fine powder. If there is rough grainy texture, if you are feeling, so then there is the possibility of adulteration. The last one is temperature. So when you kept a little quantity of cement and palm, okay, then you will free the normal atmospheric heat, not much warmer. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.